I'm Courtney and the company sent me this paring knife. I'll be giving you an up-close look at it so that you know exactly what you're getting before you buy it. It comes in this really nice box, which makes it perfect for gifting. It just looks and feels really nice. It comes with this little paper that has wash instructions as well as sharpening instructions. That's super handy to have. Here's a look at the knife itself. It comes with this really great edge guard on to keep it covered for storage, protects you, protects the knife while you are not using it, so that's a great feature. The blade is so beautiful and has this really great design on both sides of the blade. And the handle is an African wenge wood handle. It is so pretty. I love the dark color, and it has the stainless steel end cap. And here on the top are the non-slip serrations on the V-edge knife blade. I think all of these features together just make it look and feel very high-end. It looks and feels super high quality. This has quickly become my favorite knife in my kitchen. It has such a sharp blade and easily slices through everything. It peels my fruit so smoothly, and I am constantly reaching for this knife anytime I do my cooking. It's so easy to handle and just fits and feels so comfortable in my hand. And the blade is just so sharp. Overall, I think this is a perfect paring knife. It's a great size. It has so many great features. It's really beautiful. Feels very high quality for a great price. Overall, I would definitely recommend this knife.